Welcome to a space where the conversation goes deeper. Not about techniques or trends or what's happening on social media this week. It's a conversation about how this industry works underneath all of that. The economics of it, the structure of it, the decisions that shape a career. And not just in the first year, but in year 10, year 15, year 20. This is Beauty Pro Universe. The show is audio only. No tutorials, no transformations, no visual noise. The beauty and aesthetic industry is one of the most visually saturated spaces in the world. Every platform, every feed, every screen is filled with content designed to be consumed in seconds and forgotten in minutes. This is a signal in an industry that generates far more noise than clarity. Audio education requires your full attention. It's the format of ideas that will outlast the moment they're spoken. And the ideas in this industry, the ones about what it really takes to build a business that lasts, to sustain a career over decades, to understand the system you're operating inside, those ideas deserve more than a scroll. They deserve your full attention. And if you're ready to give it, you are in the right place. Every episode of Beauty Pro Universe goes deep on the things that shape careers over time, the real economics of how you structure your work, and what that structure is costing you, financially, physically, and professionally. Pricing strategy, not what to charge, but how to think about what to charge. The math, the psychology, and the confidence to present your expertise at its true value. The gap between what your training prepared you for and what the real world of client-facing work actually requires, and how to close it. Physical and mental longevity, because your body and your mind are the engines of your entire business. The strain will accumulate quietly. The erosion happens gradually. And the professionals who build 30-year careers are the ones who understood that early enough to do something about it. And we'll discuss in detail the broader industry, the standards, the structures, the forces shaping every discipline in this space, because understanding the environment you are operating inside is not optional. It's strategic. The professional in a medical aesthetic suite and the professional behind a chair in a salon or studio are living far more parallel lives than either one realizes. Same pressures. Same gap between training and reality. Same question underneath all of it. How do I build something that lasts? This industry has never had a platform that crossed that line, that spoke to the full breadth of client-facing professionals with the depth and seriousness this work has always deserved. That changes here. If you're early in your career, this is the business education your training program didn't give you. If you're established and fully booked, or maybe not as booked as you'd hoped you'd be by now, and you're feeling the cost of how you're structured, this is the clarity that reassessment requires. And if you've given this industry 15 years, and you're starting to wonder what the next 15 look like, this conversation was also built for you. Whatever discipline you work in, whatever stage you're at, if you take this career seriously and you want to understand how it actually works, this is where that conversation happens. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. And if this is the conversation you've been waiting for, share it with someone in the industry who needs to hear it. Welcome to Beauty Pro Universe. The conversation starts now.